Do you feel like 76% of non-homeowners that buying a first property feels out of reach?
Are you stressed about the consequences of not being able to pay your current mortgage when due for renewal? You're not alone. Martin Ouellet, Realtor.
Thomas Barcier, real estate broker, bringing you the good news.
The good news is that the government just announced housing affordability measures for first-time buyers and current owners.
First-time home buyers can withdraw from their RRSPs to make a down payment will rise from a maximum of $35,000 to $60,000, and that the amortization period to pay back the loan can be up to 30 years with some conditions.
The repayment period for RRSPs is extended by 3 years. It means that repayment only starts after 5 years versus 2 years. The same 15-year payback periods apply.
The tax-free First Home Savings Account gives Canadians more tools to save. The FHSA allows Canadians to set aside $40,000 tax-free towards the down payment of a home, and this amount does not need to be paid back.
The minister also announced changes to the amortization schedule for mortgage repayments. She said that beginning August 1st, first-time homebuyers with insured mortgage who purchase a new built home will get 30 years to pay that mortgage back, so more Canadians can afford to pay that monthly mortgage.
Lastly, with the changes to the mortgage charter, lenders will now have to contact borrowers up to 24 months in advance of a homeowner's mortgage renewal to discuss options. The mortgage charter also requires lenders provide temporary extensions on the amortization period for mortgage holders who are facing financial difficulties. This amortization period could be made permanent at no extra fees or costs.
The new Canadian mortgage charter measures include waiving fees and costs, exempting insured mortgage holders from requalifying under the stress test, allowing borrowers to make lump sum payments to avoid negative amortization, and lastly, waiving interest on interest when mortgage relief measures result in mortgage payments that fail to cover interest payments on a loan.
We are convinced these measures will help more Canadians access property ownership. If you want to discuss in more depth of how this can benefit you as a home buyer, contact us at info@continuumgroup.ca.